Hey guys, back up in the office today, and like the title says, what's wrong with HPTuners lately? They came out with the new MPVI4, great for diagnostics, great for the late model stuff, but it can't replace a 2 or a 3 for doing what I do. And then what people follow the channel for, and that's for the JTech computers. Now, when you have the JTech computers, they are finicky to start with, right? So a lot of times you need a bench harness, which I have. A lot of times it won't read through the vehicle. And you need a 2 or a 3 to really make them work at all. If you want to read these vehicles, rewrite them, tune them. And a lot of people who follow the channel go, oh yeah, Art, I love your videos. They're instructive. I want to get into this and do all this. And I have a link in all my video descriptions to get a 3 off like Amazon. But they'll go to HPTuners and they'll buy a 4 and they'll go to their car or their Dodge pickup or their Jeep and they'll plug this thing in and it will not read it. Because as of the time we're making this video, which is February of 26, the new MPVI4 doesn't support the JTechs, which it used to in the earlier versions of the dongle, which were less complicated. Okay, yes, they don't do everything that the new one does. Granted, and you know, things need to move and improve and change and update. We understand all that, but why would you have a new product that can't do what the old one does? That's what I want to know, and that's what a lot of people that have contacted me because they're like, "Oh, I followed you along." They end up having to send me their ECM because they just bought a $400 dongle and it doesn't work. All right, I had a few guys have some success because they bought it from like an HPTuners dealer, not directly from HPTuners, and they're able to send back their 4, and the guy sold them a 3, and then the 3 works just fine, right? No harm, no foul. But for the guys who buy them right for HPTuners, same price, they don't support what they used to support on them. So, HPTuners, what's up with that? This is just a short video that I wanted to put out there. Let you guys know. If you followed the channel, thank you. If you need your help, I'm here anytime. You can get a hold of me. Here's my email. The Magnum engines and the Jeep 4-liter engines, your tuning. Any problems you want to have that, you want to send me your ECU, you want to send me the file and I'll update it for you. You know, anything you need. Because that's what I do for these older computers, right? That's my thing. And when the newest and greatest doesn't work with my thing, I have to say something. So maybe this little video, I doubt it, but it may help the folks at HPTuners, which I have no problems with. You know, they've been good to me. Support's good. Everything is good. I just don't understand why the new product doesn't work like the old product did. All right. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Questions, comments, concerns, put them down below. A nice, quick, short video just to let you know what's going on. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks.